The Brave Little Squirrel. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a small squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was known for his bright eyes and bushy tail. He loved to play with his friends and gather acorns for the winter. However, Sammy had a big fear. He was afraid of heights. One sunny day, while playing near a tall oak tree, Sammy's best friend, Bella the bird, flew down to him. "Sammy, come up to my nest. It's so beautiful up here," she chirped excitedly. Sammy looked up at the high branches and felt his heart race. "I can't, Bella. What if I fall?" he replied, trembling. Bella smiled gently. "You will never know how wonderful it is unless you try. I will be with you every step of the way." After thinking for a moment, Sammy decided to be brave. "Okay, let's do it," he said. With Bella's encouragement, Sammy climbed the tree slowly. He felt scared, but he also felt excitement. Step by step, he made it to the first branch. "You can do it, Sammy!" Bella cheered from above. Sammy took a deep breath and continued to climb. Finally, he reached Bella's nest. "I did it!" he shouted, feeling proud. The view from the top was amazing. Sammy could see the entire forest. He realized that facing his fear was worth it. From that day on, Sammy loved climbing trees with Bella. He learned that being brave doesn't mean you aren't scared. It means you try anyway. And so, Sammy the squirrel became known as the bravest little squirrel in the forest.